All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Dominoes 7 Show, live at the Hyatt Hotel. I'm by myself right now, but while I'm with a lot of folks, they passing everything up, or whatever the heck I'm trying to say. The elevators is fast, so some people want it back at the Hilton Hotel because, you know, I want it on the back at the Hilton Hotel. So let's go down the escalator. Hey, everybody. Y'all on the Domino 7 Show. All right, except. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Domino 7 Show, live at the Hyatt Hotel. I'm by myself right now, but while I'm with a lot of folks, they passing everything up, or whatever the heck I'm trying to say. The elevators is fast, so some people want it back at the Hilton Hotel because, you know, I want it on the back at the Hilton Hotel. So let's go down the escalator. Hey, everybody. Y'all on the Domino 7 Show. All right, except. Did I do that? Did I do that? Wow. Put 2 clips back to back. And you know, I watched that episode though. The Mechacon one last time 2020. I mean say 2021 from the Sunday episode. I uploaded that twice in a row. Did I do that? I didn't know. I had no idea, you know. I had no idea I did that, you know. I mean, I watched it. Did I do that? Golly, I don't understand. I really don't understand what I did, you know. I mean, I watched this video and all that. I should be saying, did I do that again, you know? Who am I, Mystical or Steve Urkel? I'm Domino 7, okay? Well, first it was, no, let me backtrack, okay? First it was Carly off the Three Stooges, then Shemp, then Steve Urkel, then Mystical, then Ludacris, and now it's your boy Domino 7. That's what I did, you understand? I mean, I edited the same clip back to back. What the hell did I do? Damn. So, alright y'all. So that's it y'all, okay? So, enjoy the rest of the clips of Mechacon. It'll probably be two or three more clips, okay? Did I do that? Yes, I did do that. Yes, I did do that. I am so sorry, y'all. Alright? Alright. At Mechacon, okay? See y'all later. Fried chicken. Alright, welcome back to the Domino 7 show. We just watched the Cha-Cha Slide and the Cupid Shuffle. And we here with some folks.
Hi.
You dressed as Mount Lady.
I am.
Yeah, I think you're the third Mount Lady that I had on the show.
Hopefully the best.
Yeah, the one from 2019 that I had on the show. I was hoping she would come this year, but she missed out.
Obviously.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name's Megan.
Megan and?
Brandon.
All right, so y'all a couple, right?
We are a couple.
Just boyfriend and girlfriend?
Yep. Yeah, just boyfriend and girlfriend.
Oh, all right. If y'all was engaged, I congratulate y'all. so how y'all feel about the Mechacon?
Just wish it wasn't the last year.
Yeah, me too. Let's cross our fingers, hope and pray that they have something to take its place.
Hopefully it'll kind of redo it or something, rebrand it. So hopefully it's back next year. I've been counting this since I was in 6th grade. I'm 26 now, so I've been here for a long time.
Oh yeah, I'm 36, you know.
Yeah.
And you know my friend Kristen got me into this. All thanks to Kristen though. Oh, hello everybody. Y'all on the Domino 7 show? Well,
Hell yeah.
Yeah, so because you know, this is the last final year of Mechacon, you know. So I'm very sad about it. Everybody, y'all sad about it too, huh?
We met here in 2012.
Oh, y'all too?
Yeah.
Oh, at Mechacon at the Hilton Hotel, huh?
Yes, sir. We married now.
Congrats! Oh, wow! Y'all done made history on the Domino 7 show. Y'all the second married couple on the Domino 7 show. Cause I had one yesterday, you know. So congratulations. What's your name? Your name? Lucian and Olivia. Congratulations to both of y'all. Y'all done made history on the Domino 7 show. I had a married, so I'm declaring y'all the second married couple of Mechacon. All right. So thank y'all for telling me here. I hope y'all go to Comic-Con here. So comment Domino here. Make sure y'all watch the show here. So I'm gonna put this episode in the description box. A second married couple. Okay. Alrighty. So anyway, they done made history on the Domino 7 show, you know. I wonder where Kristen at. Probably on the first floor. I got my pass. Yeah, I got my pass. The elevators are super fast up here, you know. And people wish it was back at the Hyatt Hotel because they don't want to deal with the elevators. But let's walk down to the game room. Okay. Hey, may I take a picture, y'all?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah, y'all on a Domino 7 show. so that sucks. So we in the game room. How y'all doing? So I want to ask y'all something. Y'all want to be on the show?
Huh?
Y'all want to be on the show?
Not really.
Oh, because I was going to ask y'all how y'all feel about the last year Comic-Con. I mean, Mechacon.
Excited about it. You know, it's been years since I've come to
Yeah, but let's keep our fingers crossed, hope and pray that there's another convention taking Mechacon's place.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so I love y'all coming here. Where you from?
We're locals.
Oh, good, because all these people here, I love to see them here.
Yeah, love having people come out.
Oh yeah, so y'all have a nice day. Nice meeting y'all, yeah. And make sure y'all watch the show, yeah. All right. Oh, look. Oh, look at it. Oh, I missed it.
I need new friends.
Versus
Oh, I missed it, y'all. How y'all doing?
I love these guys.
You're beautiful. I love you.
Oh, hey.
All right, let's get this match underway. Let's go.
How y'all doing today? So how y'all feel about the last year Mechacon?
I mean, you hate to see it. I mean, I never had the opportunity to go to a lot of these,
Oh yeah.
but like still.
Yeah, because I'm doing the show for YouTube in case you're wondering. All right, you have a blessed day. Yeah? King K. Rool, huh? Mario versus. You know, my auntie is watching the show. My whole family watching the show. You know. Hey, how y'all doing today?
Hi.
Oh yeah, y'all on the show. Yeah, y'all want to be on the show?
What?
Y'all want to be on my show?
What show?
Oh, my YouTube show. Oh, I want to ask y'all how y'all, since how y'all feel about the last Mechacon?
Did I do that? Did I cut that girl off? Did I cut her off in the middle of an interview? Oh, how harsh I am. Okay. Gotta do. Got this. I broke this off. Did I do that? Look. I accidentally broke it off. Did I do that? I guess I did. Yes, indeed. Okay. And okay. Did I do that? Well, I'll be down. Did I do that? I'll clean that up. All right. All right. I'm sorry, y'all. All right. That's all I got to do.
On the show, how y'all doing? All right, you on the show? Yeah, you can be in a picture if you want. All right. Well, cosplay, I know cosplay, yeah. I'm gonna let y'all know it's going on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
All right.
All right, so what you want?
What's up? My name is Ashton. We at Mechacon 2021.
I'd like to say, also, there's one thing I like to say. Let this year's Mechacon be the best Mechacon there is.
All right. All right. All right. What's your name? And your mind me ask just your first name, not your full name.
My name is Martin.
Yeah, my real name Brian, but call me Domino.
Sure thing, Domino.
All right. And you on the show? I hope you watch the show, yeah. You want to be on? All right. All right. What's your name? Not your whole name, just your first name.
My name is Haley.
Haley, and yeah, cause I don't want the world to know your full name.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah, because you know, cause on Maury and all that, they don't show the whole name. Cause you know, if you say your full name, somebody will try to look you up on social media and try to stalk you. Yeah, that's the rule of my show, you know. Oh, hey there. Who might you be?
Harley.
Oh yeah, just your first and not your full name. What are you dressed as?
Harley.
Okay.